How we can use these words in English suitably. Stay tuned. Welcome back to English Elite. I'm Ali at your service once more. Let's learn how to utilize these words. The first word is garbage. Garbage is a kind of word that we can use for those trashes or useless things that they come out of kitchen or bathroom. They are usually wet and we cannot recycle them. Trash is a word that we can use in place of garbage when it comes to talking about those useless things that they are dry and actually we can recycle them. So they are called trash. Like a piece of paper that you don't need it and you fold it up and you throw away. So it is a kind of trash. And rubbish is a British word that you can utilize this word instead of garbage and trash. Litter can be used for those useless things that you drop on the street. It is called litter. Actually, the verb of litter is drop. So don't drop litters on the streets. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Thanks for watching.